about 180 degrees right now. It took about an hour to get there. Hey there, this is just a quick video to show you one of these flower pot candle powered heaters again. This is more of a tabletop version. It's a lot smaller than the floor model. But I got the 3 candles under there, so it's really cranking away. Prepped up on a couple of little bricks. And we'll see what kind of temps we can get. I'm hoping to get about 200. Okay, you start with the 4 washers, the 2 hex nuts, and I'm going to use a 2-inch bolt here. So it's pretty simple. Just drop a washer on here, like that. Put it up under the pot, like this. Another washer on. And put a hex bolt on there and tighten it up. Okay, like that. Alright, now we just drop on another washer. Slip this carefully over the top like that. Final washer and the hex bolt. There it is. Nice and sturdy. Perfect. Now you're just going to prop this up over some candles, anywhere from 1 to 3, and you can get 150 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go ahead and fire these up. I'll take some temp measurements. Okay, there it is. That's after about 45 minutes. On 76.5. As long as you're within 2 to 3 feet of this thing, you can really feel the warmth. So it would be great for a tabletop or desktop style heater. Come on, 200. Almost there. 192.5. 193. As soon as you put your hand on it, you got to take it away. It's that hot. You can also use these homemade alcohol lamps if you want in place of the candle. If you want to see how to make one of those, just look for my video on the alcohol lamp.